Hello, hello. Okay, so I have one more unboxing video for you this month. And that is, it won't be my last unboxing video, but you know what I mean. This is for my secret, not secret kit club for February. So, this is based off of Prima's lavender collection. And I see lots and lots of fun goodies in here. So, you all know how much I adore Prima. And I often use the Secret Not Secret Kit Club to get me Prima, right? Okay, so I have a couple of papers here. This one is like a gray wood grain. And you know what? This really, really reminds me of one of the papers by Cocoa Vanilla that I really like. So that's fun. This, oh, you guys, look. Oh. This paper is from a German paper company. Her name is Alexandra Renke. And she designs the most gorgeous watercolor papers. Like the most gorgeous watercolor papers. I can't even. And I actually very specifically requested this paper, and I want more of this paper, but it's a little hard to source, so we'll see. I only have one piece now, which means I have to make this layout that I use this paper on. Perfect, right? Right, okay. And this one, this has nothing to do with my kit, but this one was in here. This was just an extra that Christina gifted me with, to give you an idea of this, more of the papers from this collection, from this woman. Amazing papers. So, but these are the two papers that will coordinate with my kit. And then these are all the Prima papers. So this is A4 Prima paper. So we have papers that are very close to 8.5 by 11 for me, which I love. And I'll just show you here the gorgeousness of these papers. Purple and this coppery color, and just, I love it. Love it. And then there's some nice solids here too. Super usable and gorgeous. I love it. So this was what I asked the kit to be based off of, was this line of paper by Prima. So there's that one. And then, of course, doilies. There's always doilies. I have a couple here, more than one, it looks like. So I have like 3 or 4 different doilies. So there's that. And then we have this trim. This trim is gorgeous, you guys. So she sent me some crepe paper because I don't have any crepe paper. I've only ever used it once or twice, and I'm super excited to try it out. And then I also have this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous trim. Oh, this is the coolest thing ever. Look at this trim. So this trim came from May Arts. I know that. Look at that. Oh, so much fun to play with. I love that trim. Sorry about that. My voice wants to disappear on me. But I'm determined to get through this unboxing. So, go in there. And then these are my die cuts. I keep smacking my lamp tonight, which I don't think I like very much. My video thing. So these are the die cuts. They came in my kit. That's so pretty. I love those. Words are fabulous. Magical, a little coppery tag. I love the copper in this kit. It's so fun. So if you're a part of the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, this is a $25 kit because that's what I like. These are brand new. Woo! These are from Pink Fresh BU. These are the puffy alphabet stickers, and they're this gorgeous copper, which goes along so stunningly well with the orangey copper parts of this kit. So pretty. I love it. And then I got a mixed media, a little bit of mixed media to work with. So I got a Shimmers Paints Inklings in Plum Crazy, so pretty purple. And this is the hard one, so this is the one you have to add water to. And then I got some copper foil flakes, which I've been loving gilding flakes recently. So that's going to be super fun to play with. And then, so if this seems a little stingy in the paper department and die cuts and stuff like that for a $25 kit, that's because I have 2 full sets of stamps. So these are Build a Wreath stamps. They're from Prima, but they're part of their art decor line, not part of their like scrapbooking line. So a lot of companies probably don't even carry them. So these two work together, and you use them to build wreaths on your page. So I am going to play with these and kind of figure out how they work and how to use them. And then I am sure that I will be doing a layout with them, and then I can show you. But I think they're going to be super duper fun to use with my stamp platform, and I think they're going to be a super duper fun little element to use on cards or layouts. They make a bigger wreath. See, if you look here, like they don't make the typical kind of like small wreath like you would get a Build a Wreath collection for cards. These are like big wreaths, so they are awesome and perfect for things like scrapbook pages. So that was my kit for this month. I'm super excited to start playing with it. I'm super excited to play with it at our upcoming scrap party. I'm super excited to play with it, just to play with it, because I think it's gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining me today for my second unboxing video this week. And now I have lots of goodies to play with. See you soon. Bye.